Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My channel name is AA Education. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. Let's get started. Firstly, introduction. Farming is the main activity in Palampur, well as several other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. are carried out on a limited scale. Palampur is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. Raiganj is big village is 3 kilometers from Palampur, and next slide is about the village. This village has about 450 families belonging to several different castes. The 80 upper caste families burn the majority of land in the village. Electricity powers all the tube wells in the fields and is used in various types of small businesses. Palampur has two primary schools and one high school. Let's see the organization of production in Palampur. The aim of production is to produce the goods and services that we want. There are three requirements for production of goods and services. The first requirement is land. The second requirement is labor. The third requirement is physical capital. There are two parts of physical capital: tools, machines, buildings. Tools and machines range from very simple tools such as a farmer's plough to sophisticated machines such as generators, turbines, computers, etc. Tools, machines, buildings can be used in production over many years and are called fixed capital. Raw materials and money in hand. Production requires a variety of raw materials such as ink used by the weaver and the clay used by the potter. Also, some money is always required during production to make payments and buy other necessary items. Raw materials and money in hand are called. And then factors of production in Palampur. Every production is organized by combining land, labor, physical capital, and human capital is known as factors of production. Farming in Palampur. Land is fixed. Farming is the main production in activity in Palampur. 75% of the people who are working are dependent on farming for their livelihood. Since 1960, in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. The standard unit of measuring land is hectare. Is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Palampur would resemble a village of the western part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. All land is cultivated in Palampur. No land is left idle. During the rainy season, Kharif, farmers grow jawar and bajara. These plants are used as cattle feed. It is followed by cultivation of potato between October and December. In the winter season, Rabi fields are sown with wheat. The Green Revolution in the late 1960s introduced the Indian farmers to cultivation of wheat and rice using high-yielding varieties HYVs of seeds. Compared to the traditional seeds, the HYV seeds promised to produce much greater amounts of grains on a single plant. As a result, the same piece of land would now produce far larger quantities of food grains than was possible earlier. Farmers of Punjab, Haryana, and West Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming method in India. The farmers in these regions set up tube wells for irrigation and made use of HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides in farming. Will the land sustain? Land being a natural resource, it is necessary to be very careful in its use. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming methods have observed the natural resource base. In many years, green revolution is associated with the loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. How is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur? You must have realized how important land is for farming. Unfortunately, not all the people engaged in agriculture have sufficient land for cultivation. In Palampur, about one-third of the 450 families are landless. 150 families, most of them dilated, have no land for cultivation. More than half the area of the village is covered by plots that are quite large in size. In Palampur, there are 60 families of medium and large farmers who cultivate more than 2 hectares of land. A few of the large farmers have land exceeding over 10 hectares or more. Here you can see the map. As we can see in the picture, major crop areas are marked here. Who will provide the labor? After land, labor is the next necessary factor for production. Farming requires a great deal of handwork. Here we can see the percentage of people working in India. The capital needed in farming. The modern farming methods require a great deal of capital, so that the farmer now needs more money than before. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. They borrow from large farmers or the village moneylenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. Sale of surplus farm products. The farmers have produced wheat on their lands using the 3 factors of production. The wheat is harvested and production is complete. Some farmers might also use the syringes to buy cattle or to set up shops. Non-farm activities in Palampur. Dairy, the other common activity. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on various kinds of grass and the jawar and bajara that grows during the rainy season. Transport, a fast developing sector. There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raiganj. Rickshawalas, tongawalas, jeep, tractors, truck drivers, and people driving the traditional bull carts and boys are people in the transport services. Thank you for watching this video.